welcome to the Rising Stars platform today. Our word is going to be forgiveness. It's a hard word because you have to think it's easy to forgive somebody for stepping on your toe. But how do you forgive what seems to be the unforgivable? That requires a deeper search within your soul. It's not something that you could just wake up and say, hey, I'm just going to blow it off tomorrow like it didn't happen. But what I had to learn to do is look within. Find all the things that you can be grateful for. Focus on the good things. Say that life presents challenges. But these challenges are eventually going to turn around and work for my good. And I think when you take on this type of mindset, it starts to shift that root of negativity and allows you to change your perspective, not about what happened, but rather about how you manage your emotional intelligence. And that's what gives you back the power within yourself to remain grounded. And then from there, you can keep on rising like the stars. I hope this blessed you today. Have a wonderful day.